How y'all doing, beautiful people? All right. My family's so ratchet. Okay, that's what's up. That's what's up. My name is Kazani. Pronouns he, him, his. I'm Samoan first. Oos, baby. And I'm also a trans person. I love my transness. I love who I am. And everybody continue to be you and you know, do it on purpose. So I'm here today just to, honestly, I'm here to just come to y'all and read. So I know y'all know about Banco and everything that's been going on. It's been a year so far. And so recently, the Department of Justice, the Attorney General, Rob Bonta, had released a statement on the charges against the security guard who killed Banco. And so I just wanted to share the words that was written in this letter to y'all. And I know we're here to celebrate. I know we're here to, you know, enjoy everything. But I'm also here to remind us, like, we can't forget that Banco can't just be another brother on a T-shirt. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. From the Attorney General, Rob Bonta. Dear members of San Francisco Board of Supervisors, this letter is in response to your resolution requesting that the Attorney General's office review the April 27, 2023 shooting death of Banco Brown by Walgreens security guard Michael Anthony. The San Francisco County District Attorney reviewed the matter and determined that criminal charges should not be filed against Mr. Anthony. Under California law, a district attorney is given broad discretion to determine whether criminal charges are appropriate in a particular case because she is the official who has been elected by the county to act as its public prosecutor. When the Attorney General's office agrees to review a district attorney's decision not to file charges, we ask whether the district attorney's office abused its discretion under all the circumstances in the case. Our focus is on whether the district attorney's decision not to file charges was reasonable based on the facts and the law. In making crime charging decisions, prosecutors must believe that the admissible evidence is of such convincing forces that it would warrant a conviction of the crime charged by an objective fact finder beyond a reasonable doubt after hearing all of the evidence and considering the most reasonably foreseeable defense such as self-defense. In this case, San Francisco County District Attorney Office did not believe prosecution would result in a conviction. We have carefully reviewed the investigation materials regarding the shooting, the district attorney's report on the fatal shooting, and your additional submission. Based on that review and taking all of the circumstances and considerations, we cannot say that the San Francisco County District Attorney's Office abused its discretion in declining to file criminal charges against security guard Michael Anthony. And so with that, it was important for me to bring this here today and read that out loud to y'all, because how many of y'all actually knew that came out a couple weeks ago? Exactly. And so I love that we be ourselves and we be doing us and we have the capacity to a certain extent, but it's also important to take care of each other. It's also important to get involved with organizations, coalitions like Lavender Phoenix, like other SF Jail No Coalition. Like, it is very, very important to just be aware of what's happening with our siblings out here, our brothers and our sisters. And I don't want to leave us on that note, and so I just want to do a call and response. So when I say justice for, y'all say Banco Brown. Justice for? Banco Brown. Justice for? Banco Brown. I don't think City Hall could hear you. Justice for? Banco Brown. When trans rights are under attack, what do we do? When trans rights are under attack, what do we do? Okay, I see somebody taking a shot with it. Yeah, go ahead and do that. Black trans lives matter? Can't hear you. Black trans lives matter? Black trans lives matter? Free Palestine, free West Papua, free Congo, free Sudan, free every country that's in genocide. And so I just wanted to read this letter to Banco that I wrote. Because we're not going to end on violence and being triggered, right? We're going to celebrate, but we also going to remind ourselves that we got so much work to do to liberate us all. Banco Brown, our brother, a son, a nephew, an uncle to his chosen family, and day ones. One of the most determined and creative community organizers in the fucking Bay Area in this world. Banco, you were more than just an activist. You wore your heart on your sleeve and always led with love and had the funnies. Your shyness was your protection for yourself. But when you invited folks to know you, it was us that was blessed with you, Banco. Banco, you were in the struggles daily, but was on your way to become your own businessman and creating your own visions of swag, drip, as you always presented. You were always a king. Banco, you were breaking through your challenges and rising in your self-determination. Banco, you seen people for people, even when they didn't see themselves. Banco, you always will be a king. Banco, we love you, and we will continue to say your name in our movements, and when we move, and we got you. Justice for? Justice for? And so the homie has said Banco Coalition, so I just wanted to make something clear. There isn't a Banco Coalition because a lot of the harm that happened last year. So I just wanted to say that again. There's no Banco Coalition because we need to learn how to fucking work together. And so in order for Banco Coalition to happen again, and in order for me to help and push campaigns and coordination, I need folks who really want to get down with me to tap in with me. You can come up and ask me, we can exchange, but I do have goals for Banco Coalition. But again, I'm not finna rock with people who got egos flocking like crazy and people that don't want to work together. So if you down to help me get things started and the process that needed for Banco and to liberate his spirit, I would appreciate it if you just come check in with me. Again, I will take all the help that is possible that would be helpful for me to help move some things. And again, no egos. I don't need none of that at the table. Okay? So if you down again to connect with me and move Banco stuff forward, I appreciate it. Come check in with me. I love y'all. Let's enjoy today and let's turn up. I need a shot. What a shot at?